Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you the exact steps to build a complete but simple customer support system for your small business using the free Freshdesk plan. First, set up your support channels. Go to Admin and then Email. Add your business support email like help@yourcompany.com. This is where customers will email you. Then go to Social Sign In and connect your Facebook page. Now, emails and Facebook messages all become tickets in one place. Next, organize your team. Go to Admin and Team. Click New Agent to add your teammates. Assign them the agent role. This lets them view and reply to tickets. Now, create your first automation to save time. Go to Workflow Automata under Admin. Click New Rule. Name it Welcome New Customer. Set the trigger to ticket is created. Add an action to send an email with a simple thank you message. Click Create Rule. Now, every new customer gets an automatic welcome. Set up canned responses for common questions. Click your profile picture, go to Canned Responses, and click New Canned Response. Create one for Where is my order with tracking info steps. Now, when that question comes in, click the paperclip icon in a ticket to insert the full answer instantly. Finally, check your performance. Use the Reports section on the left. Look at the ticket volume, report to see how many questions you're getting, and the agent performance report to see how fast your team is replying. And that's it. You have a central inbox for emails and social, a small team ready to help, automatic welcomes, quick answer templates, and simple reports to track it all. If this helped you build your support system, please like and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.